Hello everyone, I am Neha and welcome back to my channel about technology. In our today's video, we will talk about method to check Wi-Fi password of your Windows 10 system. Sometimes it happens that for security reason we set a strong password, but in meantime it gets washed off from your mind. In this case, how will you regain your password back? Well, let's find out. On the taskbar towards right, you will find a Wi-Fi icon. Click on that Wi-Fi icon and it will display a list of all the Wi-Fi devices available around you. Here at the top you will find name of the Wi-Fi device to which your system is connected. Now right click on this Wi-Fi icon and then click on Open Network and Internet Settings. Here in Settings window under Network and Internet, go to Advanced Network Settings and click on Network and Sharing Center. You can get this Network and Sharing Center control window through the control panel. Just open the control panel, click on Network and Internet and then finally click on Network and Sharing Center. In this Network and Sharing Center window, click on Wi-Fi network name to which your system is connected. A Wi-Fi status window has popped out. Here you have to click on Wireless Properties button. Again a window has popped out where you have to click on Security tab. In the Security tab, you will find Security Type, Encryption Type and your Network Security Key. This Network Security Key is nothing but your Wi-Fi password. To view the key, check the Show Character checkbox. With this method, you can check your Wi-Fi password in Windows 10 system. For more description and explanatory screenshot, you can refer our official website qhow.com. I had given URL for the same in the description below. Please like and share our video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel about technology. Keep checking the channel for further updates and put your comment and queries in the section below. We'll be back again soon with a new video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.